How to sign out of my Canva account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can sign out of my Canva account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to sign out of your Canva account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Canva app, and you can see that I'm currently logged into my account. So to sign out of my account, from the top left hand side, tap on the three horizontal lines option. Once you've done that, just tap on this little drop down menu that you can find here. Once you tap on drop down menu, if you look at the very bottom, you'll find a button that says sign out. So if you want to sign out, just tap on that little sign out button and then you'll be successfully signed out of Canva. This way you can sign out of my Canva account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.